everyone, welcome. So, if you're using AI in your business, you already know it's got some serious potential. But, unlocking all that power, it really just comes down to one thing: how good your prompts are. Today, we're going to dive into a technique that is, no joke, going to completely change how you talk to your AI.
So tell me if this sounds familiar. You ask your AI to write some marketing copy or maybe a quick email to a customer. And what you get back is, well, it's fine, but it's kind of generic, a little boring, and it just doesn't really sound like you or your brand, right? You end up spending so much time tweaking and editing that you could have just written it yourself from scratch.
If you're not in your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. It's a super common frustration. But here's the good news. The fix isn't about working harder on your prompts, it's about prompting smarter. And that smarter way is exactly what we're about to get into.
All right, so let's get right into the solution. We're going to talk about this idea called meta-prompting. And really, it's all about one thing: turning your AI into your own personal prompt engineer, on demand 24/7.
So what in the world is meta-prompting? It's actually super simple when you break it down. A meta-prompt is a prompt that creates other prompts. You see the shift? You stop asking the AI for the final product, and instead you tell it to build you the perfect tool, the perfect prompt that you can use over and over again.
And this right here, this is the crucial mindset shift. You're no longer just some user typing in requests. No, you become the manager. You're teaching the AI how to think like it's part of your team. You're essentially giving it the blueprint so it understands your business inside and out and can crank out amazing results every single time.
Okay, I know that might sound a little theoretical, maybe a bit abstract, so let's make it super concrete. We're going to walk through a real-world example for a small business, and you'll see exactly how this works. Just look at the night and day difference here. On the left, you've got the basic direct prompt. It's fine, you'll get a generic post. But on the right, the meta prompt is a total game changer. You're not asking for just one post. You're asking the AI to create a reusable tool for you. A template that forces it to think about your brand's tone, the best hashtags, and a clear call to action. See? One gives you a single, forgettable result. The other gives you a system for creating perfect posts forever.
Now, this isn't just some neat trick. For a small business, where every minute and every dollar counts, this is a huge strategic advantage. Let's break down what the actual payoff looks like for you.
And these benefits, they kind of create this amazing chain reaction. First, you save a ton of time because you're creating these reusable prompt templates. That directly leads to the second win. Your results get so much better. They become consistent, they're high quality, because every single output is based on your best strategic thinking. And finally, when you combine those two, AI stops being just a simple tool and becomes a core system that makes everything you do better, from your marketing to your customer service.
Okay, so you get it. You see the value. Now for the fun part. How do you actually build one of these things? Let's walk through a really simple 4-step framework you can start using like today.
It's really just a simple 4-part recipe. First, just state what you need. I need an effective prompt for easy. Second, define the outcome you're looking for. What's the goal here? Third, you clearly instruct the AI to create the prompt itself. And number 4, and you guys, this is the most important part, you add context. Give it the details about your business, who your audience is, your brand voice. This is the secret sauce that turns a generic tool into your own personalized expert.
Okay, let's just pause for a second. Think about your own business right now. What is one repetitive task you're always using AI for? Maybe it's writing product descriptions for your online store. Instead of asking for a description, how would you rephrase that? How would you ask the AI to create a prompt that helps you write amazing descriptions for your specific products every time? That's the meta-prompting mindset in action.
So let's just boil this all down. What are the big things to remember from this explainer? First, meta-prompting is all about creating prompts that generate other prompts. Second, this is how you teach the AI to be your personal prompt engineer. And finally, doing this is going to save you so much time and make the quality of everything your AI produces so much better. It's a whole new level of power and consistency for your business.
So I'll leave you with this last thought. We're all out there looking for our next great business idea, right? Our next big campaign. But what if the key isn't the idea itself, but the engine you build to generate those ideas? Your best marketing, your most helpful customer service replies, your most innovative new products. They might just be one great meta prompt away. Now go build it.